Swimming is not just a fun recreational activity, it also offers a wide range of health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. Whether you're a casual swimmer or a competitive athlete, incorporating swimming into your routine can have a positive impact on your physical and mental health. Here are 10 health benefits of swimming that may inspire you to dive into the pool more often. 1. Cardiovascular health. Swimming is an excellent cardiovascular workout that can help improve your heart health. By engaging in aerobic exercise in the water, you can strengthen your heart muscle, lower your blood pressure, and improve your circulation. 2. Muscle strength. Swimming is a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups at once. From your arms and shoulders to your core and legs, swimming helps build strength and endurance throughout your entire body. 3. Weight management. Swimming is a great way to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. Whether you're doing laps in the pool or participating in water aerobics, swimming can help you shed excess pounds and keep them off. 4. Flexibility. The resistance of the water in swimming helps improve flexibility and range of motion in your joints. By moving your body through the water in different strokes, you can increase your flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. 5. Stress relief. Swimming is a relaxing and meditative activity that can help reduce stress and anxiety. The rhythmic motion of swimming, combined with the soothing sensation of being in the water, can help calm your mind and promote a sense of well-being. 6. Improved lung function. Swimming requires controlled breathing techniques that can help improve your lung capacity and respiratory function. By practicing proper breathing while swimming, you can strengthen your lungs and increase your endurance. 7. Low-impact exercise. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that is gentle on your joints and muscles. Whether you're recovering from an injury or looking for a low-impact workout option, swimming can provide a safe and effective way to stay active. Number 8. Balance and coordination. Swimming requires coordination and balance to move efficiently through the water. By practicing different strokes and techniques, you can improve your balance and coordination skills both in and out of the pool. 9. Mental clarity. Swimming can help clear your mind and improve your mental focus. The repetitive nature of swimming laps can be meditative, allowing you to focus on your breathing and movement and let go of stress and distractions. 10. Social connection. Swimming is a social activity that can help you connect with others and build relationships. Whether you're swimming with friends, joining a swim team, or taking a water aerobics class, swimming can provide a sense of community and support. In conclusion, swimming offers a wide range of health benefits that can improve your physical and mental well-being. From cardiovascular health and muscle strength to stress relief and social connection, swimming is a versatile and enjoyable activity that can help you lead a healthier and happier life. So next time you're looking for a fun and effective way to stay active, consider diving into the pool and reaping the many benefits of swimming.